Hi everyone, welcome to Raimondo Lee Travel and Geocaching. So we're back in Futurventura and today we're visiting the busy port and capital of Futurventura called Puerto del Rosario. We are parking at the top of town and just showing you on the map there so you can see where we parked. When we parked there was hardly anyone in that car park. We then walked all the way down through town, making our way to the beach, and then we walked around this area here where you'll find the whale skeleton, and then up to the port, checking out the sculptures and the cruise ship. Definitely worth your time, everyone. It's a lovely little town. We didn't have the best weather, but we did make the most of it. So I hope you enjoy it. Please give the video a like, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Right. Why does she want one in front of it? Okay, so we're just doing the Adventure Lab here, Puerto del Rosario. It's been raining quite a lot. We've managed to skip most of it. There's a German cruise ship in at the moment, and I've spent so much time taking photos of the people, all German, and then me trying to explain to them that I'm not actually on a cruise ship, I'm not German. So that was quite funny, but I've helped quite a few people, so they're all on holiday, enjoying their cruise. So we're going to carry on now and go and do the whale skeleton. As you can see, we've had a right downpour. It don't rain very often in the Canaries, and we've come out today when there's a big shower, so we'll continue now and do the whale skeleton. And there's the big cruise ship, the Mein Schiff 3, and a German cruise with Tour, massive cruise ship. Right, shall we have a look at the Adventure Lab for this one then and see what it says? Oh right, quite there.
Meters in length and 10 tons for a cheap.
Alright guys, I worked hard to make a fortune. I'm going to go stand up there with the kids, then I'm going to go clicky clicky €1.
I'll see you in a minute.
Now, this is made out of granite and is carrying a palm basket, which is what local fishermen actually still carry. Does this make Lewis want to do a cruise? Hey, it won't be here, but we'd like to do a cruise. Oh, that's the private yacht. Super yacht, yeah. The octopus. No. What is it then? I mean,
I think it looks like a shell. This is something that's supposed to be inside the shell. Oh dear, oh dear.
the field work, the stonework, the fisherman spreading his nets, the woman and mother prevailing in society as an integrating mainstay. That's what that's representing. Tributes to the round-trip migration phenomenon. Testimony of the Majorero who emigrated in other times and that today receives a whole multicultural community in his own land. Right, this is the next one. He's got some fish in his... Yeah, he's got some fish in it.
How many fish have you got, Jazz?
Beautiful, now the sun's come out. And we've done an adventure lab which takes you around all the sculptures here on the harbour. 2 adventure labs done in total and then the bonus. So we've done 11 geocaches today. And I'll tell you what the grand total is. 3,550. That's what we're on now. What does this actually do? For finger training. Right, go on then, show me how you do it then. Alright, finger training. Yeah, okay. That's finger training. Oh, the short ladders. Now do the big ladders. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, God, long stretch with them fingers. Now, you've never known that you could actually exercise your fingers. So here we have a few photos that I have taken in the area, and we completed an adventure lab here, which was walking along the promenade and checking out the sculptures, which we thoroughly enjoyed, and then we walked back up to where the church was when the weather was a lot nicer and took a photo. So please be sure to subscribe for more videos, and also check out our Instagram and Facebook page where I will upload and share many more photos of our adventures. So thank you and goodbye.